Hey everybody, Miss Neet and Hayden here. We want to show you guys the updates to ST Math so you can see how easy it is to get in. So when you're at a Google screen, if you want to access ST Math, you're going to go to your Clever page. So if I go to clever.com, I can now sign in with Google. And Hayden is going to choose her name on Google. Go ahead, Hayden. There you go. And it's automatically going to log her right into her Clever account. Now from her Clever account, you can see right away that she sees Gigi the penguin. So she's going to go ahead and click. And that's going to bring us right into ST Math. Now ST Math looks a little different than it did when we made our original video for you guys. They've updated the program. There's no Flash player anymore. So your child is going to have to start over. Initially when they go in here to their programming, they're going to have to go through some welcome to ST Math things. They're going to have to show the program that they know how to use their mouse, that they can manipulate and move things around. But once they've done that, go ahead, Hayes, they can click and move right into their curriculum. Very, very user-friendly. So as you can see, Hayden has begun already and she's completed these assignments. So this is her current assignment. So wherever Gigi is standing, she's going to go ahead and click on that. Go ahead, babe. And it's going to take her right into her program. Now, as you can see up here, you've got a timer, you've got puzzles. This is going to tell you how much time your child's been on. It's going to tell you how many puzzles they've completed for the day. While you see this screen, this is just the program loading. It might take a little bit longer depending on your internet source. But once you're in, it's going to take the child right into the last puzzle that they were on. When they're done for the day, they have the option of exiting the program by clicking on their name and signing out, or they can use the back arrow to sign out. Also under their name, you're going to see that there's some cool little tools, their settings, you can see their progress, and you can see the details of their work. So this is going to be progress in the overall program. Here we've got some details that tell her whose class she's in, so her teacher can see her info. As we showed you before, when Hayden's done with the program, she can go up to her name and hit the drop down, but she can also hit this back arrow. So go ahead and hit that back arrow. That's going to take her back to her learning path. When she's done with that click, then she can click it a second time, and that's going to take you back to your journey. From here, you can see a couple different things. You can click over here on the clock, and it's going to give you some details about your child's progress within the program. So 63 puzzles, 1 objective conquered. It can show me if I need more practice with that objective, I can replay it. So it just gives you a little bit more details. There's also a home page that's sometimes enabled, doesn't look like ours is. One last thing, when your child is in the program, there are no questions here. There are no numbers or equations or things to follow. So what you really have to do is help your child think about the ultimate goal, which is how do I get Gigi from one path to the new path? And in order to do that, they have to use their math skills. So here I have to, in order to get Gigi across, I have to place this number on the number line. So your child's going to take time, Hayden's done this a few times, to see that 17 doesn't fall on this number line. So she's going to need to move the number line along until she figures out where that 17 can be placed. Once she knows where it can be placed, she's going to go ahead and click it, and she's going to click that green arrow. If she's correct, Gigi will move across the screen. If not, you will get feedback from the program to help your child progress forward. So just a quick introduction again. Make sure that you get on and use this program. It's a great way to practice your math skills when you're in or out of school. All right, we'll talk to you soon.